What if a conflict between the USA, Iran, and Israel escalates into a full-scale war? The world could face destruction unlike anything in history. Explosions across cities could change the course of history. Missile launches and military escalation could spread chaos across multiple regions. Moments like these remind us how fragile humanity can be. The United States maintains unmatched global military power, capable of striking targets almost anywhere within minutes. Massive aircraft carriers patrol strategic international waters, carrying powerful fighter jets ready for instant launch. Advanced fighter jets prepare for immediate combat deployment. Stealth bombers move silently through the skies undetected, penetrating deep into enemy airspace without being seen.
Advanced surveillance satellites constantly monitor global activity, tracking movements across entire continents in real time. Military analysts carefully monitor global intelligence feeds. Beneath the ocean, another powerful force remains hidden. Nuclear submarines patrol silently across the vast seas, armed with powerful long-range ballistic missile systems. Missiles capable of reaching targets across the entire globe. A global military system designed for rapid response anywhere on Earth.
Iran has built a military strategy focused on mobility and strategic defense. Instead of relying on massive conventional forces, it uses flexibility and speed to counter stronger enemies. Mobile missile launchers allow ballistic weapons to be deployed from remote desert locations. These launch systems can relocate quickly, making them difficult to detect and destroy. Iran has also developed a growing fleet of surveillance and combat drones. These drones patrol the skies, gathering real-time intelligence across wide regions. Along the Persian Gulf, coastal missile batteries guard the narrow Strait of Hormuz. Fast attack boats patrol the waters, protecting one of the world's most critical energy routes. Beyond its borders, Iran maintains influence through allied militias and proxy forces. Together, these networks extend Iran's strategic reach across much of the Middle East.
Israel combines intelligence, advanced technology, and rapid response forces to defend its borders and project power across the region. Israel integrates powerful intelligence networks with rapid military response capabilities. Iron Dome missile defense systems intercept incoming aerial threats. Interceptor missiles explode mid-air, neutralizing threats before they reach populated areas. Israeli F-35 stealth fighter jets patrol the skies with precision and advanced technology. These advanced aircraft dominate the skies with unmatched situational awareness. On the ground, Merkava battle tanks secure Israel's strategic borders. Armored units maneuver quickly across difficult terrain to respond to emerging threats. Advanced reconnaissance satellites monitor regional activity in real time. This network of intelligence and rapid response forces provides Israel with constant battlefield awareness.
The devastating impact of war extends far beyond battlefields, affecting economies, infrastructure, and millions of lives. Cities face missile strikes, causing chaos and destruction across urban areas. Drones patrol the skies, gathering intelligence and targeting key sites. Air defense systems activate, intercepting incoming threats with precision. Explosions rock neighborhoods, fires spread, and buildings collapse under bombardment. Power outages and critical infrastructure failures exacerbate the crisis for civilians. Emergency responders and aid workers navigate chaotic, dangerous environments. Global energy supply routes face disruption, threatening international markets. Stock exchanges react violently as uncertainty spreads across economies. The human and economic cost of modern warfare is immediate, visible, and staggering.
In the end, history teaches us the greatest cost of war is borne by ordinary people. Families and communities suffer the most, while the powerful remain shielded. True strength is measured by the ability to prevent these weapons from being used. Let us remember, humanity itself pays the price of conflict. Humanity endures, reminding us that compassion and resilience define true strength.